What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Bixby speaking wrong language or how to change the region of the Bixby in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on Bixby and then scroll down and click on Bixby country or region. Now again click on Bixby country or region. And from this list, now you can choose any region that you would like to use. So just simply tap on a region and then click on next and then enter your Samsung account password, and after entering the password just simply tap on OK, and then the Bixby region will be changed and Bixby will start speaking right. So that's how you can change the region of the Bixby to make it speak right in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.